got a pretty good sized pond.
Dolly!
I mean, not a little bit, a pretty good sized pond.
Dolly, go! Go!
But there's a lot of people, you know, like that drive
From Bedford.
45 miles to get there.
What?
So.
What?
Whoa! Hi, Maverick. Dolly, go! I'm coming after you. Go! Coming after you. Arf, arf. Go, go, go. And she's gone. Over to the corner of the dog park. Let's see if I can catch up to her. Look, there's the other doggies. Yay, let's get this ball. Let's get the ball. Who wants the ball? And here she comes back. She's running. And she stops. Go. Who wants the ball? Who wants the ball? Who wants the ball? Who wants the ball? You want it? Want the ball? You want it? Yeah. Go get it. Whoops. Didn't go very far. I hit a tree. I'm coming after you, Dolly. Coming to get you. What you doing? What you doing? There she is. I got you. Look at her run. Coming after you. Better run, 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 run. As I'm losing her. Let's see if I can get a close-up. Oh, that looks kind of sad. Let's go back. As she goes up to the pool. Now you can't really see her anymore, can you? Let's see. I see the little black speck. I'll catch up to her. Dolly! I'm coming up to get you. I'm gonna catch up with you. Where do you think you're going? Where do you think you're going? Come here. Good girl. Say hi to the camera. Say hello. Now go. Go. Oh. Go. Go get Maverick. Look at those two play. They're like best buds. And Dolly goes to the water bowl. Let's see if I can get a close-up. Say hi, Maverick. Say hi to the camera.
I never have to worry about that.
Say, oh. Can you speak? Speak? Can you speak? Are you just going to stand there and pose?
Yeah, she just
Say
kind of
ruff.
barks at other dogs.
Okay, I'm going over to Dolly. She's more entertaining. Go, Dolly, go. I'm after you. Coming after you. Go get her, Mav. Go get her. Go get her. All right, I'll stop recording.
She'll loosen up.
I'm going to get as much as I can.
Look at her back mohawk.
She looks so mean.
Straight up.
And she's not. She's the biggest. She's a chicken.
Dolly's not giving in.
It's okay.
Good. So mean.
Dolly's not vicious at all, though, either.
That's good.
She won't even bark at you.
Her bark's bigger than her bite. She doesn't growl. She just.
Can you get her, Dolly?
Go,
No?
Mav.
Okay.
Go get her. It's nice and cool. It's not going to get overheated.
Maverick. More puppies. You already quit.